Hello everyone, welcome back again with the new video. In the previous video we learned that what is Laragon and how to set up this Laragon, right? And in the previous video we are installing this Laragon exe file and it's almost done. And now let's go here, go to this C drive, right? So I'm on the C drive, so just go here into the C drives. There is a directory of Laragon. It's created this Laragon directory which contains www files, bin and stuff like that, right? So you need to set up this bin directory into your system's files, right? So just go here and I think you need to copy this bin from this top, right? And you need to add the path into your system variables, right? And here your project will be located, right? So by default it's added this index.php for displaying us a simple page, right? So just check me that how much it's completed. It's almost done, and yes, now it's telling us that yes, restart the computer now, or you want to start it later. I want to restart it later, so just click on this below button and click on this finish. And yes, Laragon is now finished, and the very first thing is you need to launch this Laragon, right? So just go here and type Laragon, just type, and yes, now displaying that with the elephant icon. So just click on this and we are going to launch this out. Click on this open and it's going to open this Laragon application for us. So how it's look like when we are opening this in the first time. So it's look like this, right? So here you need to, how you can open your databases, how to start its services, right? So here this one is button is responsible for turning on the Apache and MySQL, right? So it says that auto virtual host is on, so it's I told you that it's used for creating the domain, right? You don't need to create your domain for your project, it will create the automatically domain for you. So just click on this start all services. Okay, just click on this and I will show you that how you can open your MySQL, how to open the projects, right? We are going to also set up the projects in our this live series. Okay, so I am starting it, and it's taking few minutes because I'm starting it at the first time. And yes, it's almost started, and initializing Apache and initializing MySQL, right? And it's running this on the port 80, right? Which I already told you that if you are running something else, so stop this from this port 80, otherwise it will not install properly. So I've installed this on the port 80, and now it's running this Apache, and here I need to run this you need to allow the access to run it properly because it's asking us a few permissions. You can read it from here, window defender firewall and stuff like that. So I'm allowing this access, right? I click on this allow access, and here just to stay tuned and it will give you a very way. So we are going to click on this allow, and it will take few time and stuff like that, right? I think it will ask it one more time. Okay, and it's setting us, and just slow down, it will completing its process. And yes, now it's assigned this 3306 port to this MySQL. And if you are running your if you are Laravel developer, you need to, yes, if you are a Laravel developer, the by default MySQL port is 3306, right? Just click on this allow access. So basically you can run your MySQL. So MySQL by default port is 3306. So here just go here and type, you need to type as similar like you are doing this for the Xampp, right? So just type this local host localhost / php myadmin and hit enter. And it says that you don't have permission to access this resource because it's in the installation process. So let's go here. Let me close this out. It's open twice time. So here it's not yes, but it's loaded it properly. So why it's that you don't have permission to access this resource? Okay, let's wait for a few moments. Just click on this database and I'm going to explore that why it's not going to work. So click on this database, and here it's by default port is 120, IP is 127.0, password is none, so name is root, 3306 is port, and everything is good. So why it's not running this out? So you can also run it here, but I like to open this in the web browser, right? And here just give it a refresh, and it's still showing us a same thing, right? So just to go here and let me figure out that how to run this in the web browser, right? Because it's not allowing us to run. I don't want to run this out here. So just go here, give it a refresh and type 127. Try it with this one, 127 dot 7.0.0 .1 / php myadmin. Let me type this 127, but it shows, and yes, it's now displaying us a Laragon, right? Just click on this get started, and it's redirected on this our Laragon official website, right? So just go back, and here I want to run my PHP application, right? So just go here, go to this directory. We will fix the database issue later. So here in the www project is responsible for opening all of your PHP applications. So just go here, and in the index PHP open this index.php file, what it contains. So basically it contains some basic information about this Laragon, right? So I'm closing this out, and I want to create my own one, right? So here whenever you are creating your own one, so you need to make sure that you need to turn this off and restart it, right? Otherwise whenever you are creating this, so it's in the process and creating the domain for you, and it will create a wrong domain for you, because if your project exists in the different directory, right? So here I want to create the demo project, and in the demo I have the index file, right? So it would be the index, let me hide this, no, index.php. okay, hit enter, yes. And in this file I want to enter some basic information, HTML, my first app which is running on the Laragon. Hello everyone, right? Save this file, and here now whenever you will start this, so just click on this start all, and it will create to detect new project. And yes, it's asking us to make changes in your device, so it's basically going to create a new domain for us, right? So here just click on this to allow, and here yes, auto create virtual host on, right? So it's basically created our domain. So just go here, this is the Laragon icon, and just click right click on this and visit this www, and yes, it's created a domain for us. Just click on this, and yes, it's running this demo.test, and it says that hello everyone. So in this way we can run the PHP project with the different domains, automatic setup domains, right? So it's set up this demo.test. So you can also enter the same detail here, and you can also manually type this out, demo.test, and enter, and yes, boom, it's visible, right? So in this way you can open your application, you can add your PHP project into this www directory, and it will relocate these project using index.php file and create a separate domain for us, right? And Today in this video is going longer, so in the next video I will cover the next stuff, that how you can create the multiple projects. So if you like this video, subscribe the YouTube channel and press the bell icon, so you will be get notified daily about different courses and stuff like that. Bye bye.